welcome back to the channel. Now in the intro you saw me washing out a bonsai pot and getting it ready for a new tree. This pot, which was a Christmas present from my auntie-in-law a couple of years ago. Now what we need to do is to find the tree that I'm going to go and put in it. So we'll crack on and go and do that. So there's the tree we're going to use. I must say it's a beautiful day outside, hence the shades, but we don't need them inside, so they can go on top of the head. This is an ash tree, another one of the very first trees I had. I think this one was actually given to me in a pot with a wisteria. I'll find the video for it and I'll put it up here or up there somewhere. Yeah, it was quite big and I chopped it back to here. Some wire on it and give it a bend. It's been in this pot for a while now, so I think it's time to take it out and put it into that one. Before we take the ash out of the pot, I think we need to prepare the bonsai pot first with some tie-down wire and like drainage screen. This is a little hack that I got off Jonas at Bonsai Cornwall. You'll have seen Andy at Bonsai Crazy use this one as well. It's quite neat. I mean, this stuff is very sticky, so it sticks to the bottom of the pot. It doesn't deteriorate, so it's kind of perfect really for what we use it for. So for some reason, the whole taking out of the pot and raking the roots out didn't record. But anyway, there we go. I've taken it out of the pot. I've raked the roots. I've chopped some of the roots off. Yeah, now I'm going to put it in this pot. I actually really like, I'm going to take these bits of roots off. I really like this bit here. So yeah, bear with me. Right, that's the best I think I'm going to do with that. I might just put a bit of wire on here just to bring this piece down a bit, and I'll bring you in closer and give it a spin so you can have a look. Right, I think that's basically it. Bring you in so they can have a look. There we are, guys. There is my ash, repotted. A little bit of wire back on it. Yeah, like I said, I'm not feeling 100%. I haven't really given it my all, but please do let me know in the comments what you think. And as always, thanks for watching. Don't forget to give me a like, sub, and a share. And I will catch you all in the next one.